We know that when you are involved in a traffic violation, there's a good chance the police officer is wearing a body camera. Now that's a good thing to have that footage and additional information about the scene, but you want to make sure you know how that footage could affect you and your case if you choose to take action against another driver. Always love catching up with Katherine Stone, attorney with Injury Florida Law Firm. Great to see you, Katherine.
Good to see you again, too. Yes. Always a pleasure coming on.
Yeah, thanks for being here.
Thank you.
And so, of course, when we think about police officers wearing body cameras, it gives us a good sense of, okay, good, all the evidence is going to be captured. This is a good thing. But there are things to consider when you're at the traffic scene. Yes. To make sure you're not hurting yourself.
So obviously, you know, as technology is developing, technology is also affecting our auto accident claims. So, you know, years ago, the officers were less likely to have body cameras, or they didn't have them at all. And so what people need to remember is your behavior and your manners when you have an accident and the officer comes to either take your statement or ask you what happened from your perspective, or are you injured? All of those statements are more than likely being captured on that body camera.
I like how you even mentioned manners. I mean, that's something to consider. Like, hey, you have to have that respect. It can only help.
It can only help because, and the reason I bring it up is because I recently did have it brought to my attention by the defense counsel that maybe my client didn't act with manners.
More belligerent, just not
correct,
courteous.
And you know, that did have an effect on the possible outcome of the case. So I just always like to tell people, remember this day and age, whether it's surveillance, you know, at a store or even outside of the store in a parking lot, we're always being watched now. And so if you get into an accident, while I understand that it can be frustrating, you may be hurt, you may be upset, just remember that, you know, not only could the officer be videoing you, but now, as we previously talked about before, cars have dash cameras that view both front and back. You don't know if the other driver's dash camera may be videoing you and your behavior. Your own dash camera could be videoing you. So I just always tell people, try to have respect for the situation, try to have respect for the officers, but also mind your manners and remember that what you say, you can't take back.
That's a great point. The eye in the sky, always watching us. It's funny because you think about these cameras. I've even seen instances where the cameras capture the accident from one way and it looks like one thing, and then another camera gets a different angle, but respect always comes through the same way.
Correct. And your statements will always, you know, words speak volumes.
Absolutely. And don't you think at the scene of an accident, be compassionate, lead with compassion?
Yes, and also, you know, you don't need to be belligerent and you don't need to say, you know, nasty words, but also remember, they're also watching your physical mannerisms.
Great point.
So if they come in, if you're arguing that you were injured on a certain body part and you're seen, you know, bending down, looking at your tire, things like that, just remember, you're also being watched.
I'm glad you brought that point up too. And where can we get in touch with you? Because if you get in this situation, you definitely need to know who to call. There you go. We have the information, injuryfloridalawfirm.com.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Great talking with you.